Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a new unboxing for you today, and this time we are unboxing the Asos beauty box for the month of July. If you don't know anything about Asos beauty boxes, I would like to tell you that this is not a regular subscription. Asos is releasing every month a beauty box in the beginning of the month. There is not an exact date when Asos is releasing their beauty boxes, but I'm usually checking regularly their website between 31st or 30 until first couple of days of the month. The price for the standard box, it is £12 per month, and you do also pay shipping. I think these beauty boxes are shipped only within Europe or within European Union either. So from time to time they are releasing special edition boxes. They had Bobbi Brown, they had Makeup Revolution. Those are a bit expensive. I think they are around £16 plus shipping. If you buy on their website above 20 or 22 pounds, I believe, then you don't pay for shipping. So I was thinking, what should I buy to get the free shipping? And I found only one product which was interesting for me in that given price range, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Foundation. I know that I've sworn I will not buy this foundation because L'Oreal only came with 4 shades in Czech Republic, and none of them matches many people's skin tones because they are really not dark, but darker than the average people lives here are. Now surprisingly I've been on drugstore and I've seen they have 8 shades, so they have double the range. However, no shade is matching me. I've got the Ivory, the shade 20 or 20, and on drugstore the latest shade is Ivory Rose. That one has pink undertone and I don't like it. Even this one has pink undertone and is a bit lighter than it should be. Anyway, I can make it work, there is no problem. It's better to be a bit lighter because I have darker foundation which I can mix with this one. Right now I am testing it. I know that it's a good foundation because I've tried another shade from drugstore. I got a tester from there and I know that's a good foundation, but I want to test it again. I will not return it. I could have returned when I see the shade. I could have returned, but I realized that and I could have chosen between this one, and they also were carrying the Maybelline CC cream that has SPF 50, similar with CC Plus from It Cosmetics, but there was a poor range of shades and I couldn't match myself on what they were giving, so I stick with the L'Oreal. Okay, returning to our beauty box, because this is the reason that I have you here with me today. And by the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you can do it because I have a lot of interesting videos to share with you. I have other beauty boxes to unbox for this month on my channel. I have a lot of reviews and basically all sort of fun. When I'm opening the box, I can see this, and this is their travel edition beauty box. Go Play, Face and Body, Asos. So there is a leaflet which doesn't tell you about the product prices or so, they just give you a short information. It's time to plan your next adventure. This month Asos box has us dreaming of our next getaway with 6 hair and skincare travel essentials, all under 100 ml, so no airport stress. First, upon our holiday checklist, you can't go anywhere without your go-to cleanser. So we've got CeraVe hydrating formula in a carry-on friendly size, great for hot temperature. It's packed with 3 different ceramides and hyaluronic acid to help lock in moisture. So this is our first item. It's by CeraVe. I haven't had anything from CeraVe so far, and you have hydrating cleanser, 20 milliliters or 0.67 fluid ounces. So I'm looking forward to try this. For extra hydration, you'll be needing BareMinerals Skinlongevity Vital Power Serum to create a healthy looking summer glow. Okay, this is the product that I was most excited for. The product looks like this. Look how tiny is our product. You get here 7.5 milliliters or 0.25 fluid ounces. Ooh, I wasn't expecting to be so liquidy. I love the scent. It's really pleasant scent, not very powerful. It's fresh. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. Okay, so I never had anything skincare from BareMinerals, so I'm looking forward to try this product. Plus, AMELIORATE's transforming body lotion to moisture and exfoliate your skin. Okay, so AMELIORATE is a brand, and we get here 50 ml. So another travel size body lotion which I can use on a vacation. I have another one we just got yesterday on Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So I will have probably for entire vacation I will have some hydration. I don't need to buy something else. Suitable for all skin types, suitable for children over 3 years, safe for use on the face. Cool. Apply twice daily for 4 weeks. Thereafter apply daily to maintain skin's condition. Okay, I will have a look online to see how much is the full size price, because I haven't heard about this brand before. As for your in-flight essentials, Cosmetea's Green Tea Soothing Moisture Sheet Mask is ideal to use when skin is feeling dry and tired. So, this is a sheet mask. It's a Korean one, because I've seen here some Korean directions. After cleansing and toning, apply sheet mask for face, leave it for 10-20 minutes, remove mask and gently pat in serum. One time use only. Okay. So, I have few sheet masks that I will take with me on vacation, including this one. Finally, let's talk hair. Post-sun, your hair will be craving for extra TLC. Enter Pureology's thirst-quenching shampoo and conditioner containing peppermint and cord mint essential oils to hydrate and give your hair a boost. Ooh, so those are the products that have most appealing to me when I've seen on their website. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I don't think that there will be enough for 10 days, given the fact that we are getting only 50 milliliters. I usually wash my hair every 4 or 5 days, but on vacation, especially when I go to sun or seaside, I wash it every day or every second day. I try to not get myself under the water every day, but every second day I need to wash it, because even if I don't go under the water, I'm sweating and the hair anyway, it gets dirty. So yeah, I think I have another small samples from L'Occitane which I will take with me on vacation. No samples, travel size. Guys, let me know if you want me to do a special empties with the products that I have used on vacation. I think it will be really fun, because usually I'm trying out the products that I'm using, but because now we are going by car, I think I will be able to bring back the products that are used up on vacation. So yeah, let me know if you're interested about that. And last but not least, add some texture with Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray for ultimate beachy waves. Okay, so this is our product. This is really tiny, 15 milliliters. And for an instance, I thought I have it, because I remember that we've got a Bumble and Bumble product in Look Fantastic beauty box. But I don't have this one. Okay, so this is the salt spray, and the one that I have from Bumble and Bumble from Look Fantastic is thickening Go Big treatment. Okay, so this is all we've got on the Asos beauty box for the month of July. So we've got 2 Pureology hair products, a shampoo and a conditioner. We've got a BareMinerals serum, a sheet mask, green tea soothing moisture mask, a Bumble and Bumble surf spray, salt spray, a AMELIORATE transforming body lotion, and a CeraVe hydrating cleanser. Is not bad at all. I'm really pleased with what they have put on this month beauty box. I repeat, some months are not so exciting for me, but this month I really love it. I've checked in this morning, they still have the box available on their website. So today is 10th of July. I think I will probably edit the video today and I will upload it even this evening or maybe tomorrow morning, so you can have fresh information. I'm waiting for my last beauty box for this month. It will be the cohorted one. I think that one it will come for sure next week. If you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Please share it on your social media. It will help my channel to grow. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me and supporting my channel. I will also put on the screen my social media, so go there and follow me, and I will put some other videos that I will recommend you to check. Other than that, I will see you again really soon. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me. Bye bye!